Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In the last video we learned phonic sounds. Now with the help of those same phonic sounds, we will learn to make words. Now we will make words with vowel A. B, ab, l, ab, lab, t, ab, tab, k, ab, cap, d, ad, p, ad, pad, s, ad, sad, d, ad, dad, g, ag, b, ag, bag, r, ag, rag, t, ag, tag, m, d, am, dam, h, am, ham, j, am, jam, n, an, b, an, ban, f, an, fan, m, an, man, p, app, k, app, cap, m, app, map, t, app, tap, t, at, b, at, bat, k, at, cat, f, at, fat. So how easy it has become to make words with the help of phonic sounds. If you want more video like this, so subscribe to the channel. We will make new videos for you. Thank you.